Oh, so you want to see this look in a purple and black halo eye. Well, mama, you came to the right place. Get ready to be served. Alright guys, let's get this going using the P. Louise Pro Base in Rumor number 2, creating a nice little blank canvas. Starting off with the white brow bone. If that's too intimidating, try something more on the nude side. And today's palette of choice is ColourPop's All Amethyst, dipping into Feb's Gem and placing that as my first eyeshadow color, just sweeping it back and forth on my eye area. And to reinforce the corners of this halo eye, I'm dipping into Danessa Myricks Color Effects in the color Plum Wine, and I am just distributing it everywhere I would want that corner to be really intensified. And for my mid-tone color, I am dipping back into the palette and dipping into Royal Affair, which is a deepened grape color. Perfect transition color. And of course, no halo eye of mine is an eye if I don't dip into that black shadow. Dip into your favorite black shadow and concentrate this in the inner and outer corner only. And now to illuminate this eye, I'm dipping into High Grade, which is a metallic pinky lavender right in the center. Ooh, it's time for glitter. I am using a mixture of fine, medium, and chunky size lavender purple glitter, and I am applying this slowly and strategically everywhere I want this glitter to be. And you guys know the drill. Whatever we do up, we do down. Same color palette, same color story. Let's blend this out with me. We can't forget a baddie wing, right? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this look and learned something. Let me know what other looks you want me to create. And don't forget to follow. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!